Welcome to today's episode, where we delve into the world of financial independence and explore how the Millionaire Partner System can pave the way for your success. In today's digital landscape, achieving financial independence may seem like an elusive dream, but it's more attainable than ever. There are, however, numerous misconceptions about financial education and opportunities, making the path to wealth appear obstructed. This is where the Millionaire Partner System steps in as a game changer, offering a transformative approach to support your journey to financial freedom. Before we dive into the system, let's take a closer look at the challenges many individuals face when striving for financial independence. For most people, the idea of wealth and success is appealing, but they often fail to realize the plethora of online opportunities available. The Millionaire Partner System aims to break down these barriers by providing essential knowledge and tools for success, making wealth creation accessible to everyone. With its low startup costs and scalability, the system allows you to launch your online business with minimal investment and tap into a global market. The opportunities presented by the system are not only limited to financial gain, but also extend to the freedom of working from anywhere, allowing you to tailor your entrepreneurial journey around your lifestyle. By leveraging the resources in the system, you can set clear financial goals and monitor your progress effectively. This step-by-step guide empowers you to automate your income streams, enabling you to earn passively while focusing on growth. But how exactly does the Millionaire Partner System harness the power of digital marketing and affiliate partnerships? We'll explore this in detail, shedding light on the strategies and techniques that can propel your success. Imagine the impact of being able to earn while you sleep, as your automated income streams work for you. To illustrate the system's effectiveness, let's delve into some real-life success stories. People, just like you, have achieved financial independence through the Millionaire Partner System. Their experiences serve as a testament to the system's potential to transform aspirations into tangible achievements. Now, let's address the collaborative aspect of the system. It fosters a sense of community and collaboration, enabling you to network with like-minded individuals who are on a similar journey to financial freedom. This supportive environment amplifies the potential for success as you exchange insights and experiences with peers. Are you wondering how you can take the first step towards this transformative journey? The Millionaire Partner System provides a platform for you to do just that. It's an opportunity to embrace a lifestyle of financial freedom, turning your aspirations into a reality. In our interactive segment, consider this. What are your current perceptions of financial independence, and how do you envision it impacting your life? As we wrap up, remember, the first step to transforming your financial future is embracing the opportunities that come your way. Start your journey today with the Millionaire Partner System and unlock the potential for financial freedom that awaits you. It's time to embark on a path that leads to tangible achievements and a millionaire lifestyle. Are you ready to make your millionaire lifestyle a reality?